Too fun.
Moxy interview 2. Take 1.
The Moxy Hotel feels like it belongs here. We really put a lot of focus on the ground floor, the pedestrian experience around it. So we're really trying to engage people and engage the community. You know, the scale of the building is very sympathetic to the context, which has a lot of old turn-of-the-century industrial buildings. So the form and the scale of the building, it knits itself into the neighborhood very well. What we ended up doing is using a fiber cement rain screen system for all the guest room levels. All the joints are open. At the base of the building, we let the building take on the structural frame, which is a larger frame. And we clad that with brick, and we did that for obvious reasons of durability, because all the old historic buildings in the neighborhood are brick, and we wanted a material that had that human scale. From the street, it looks like a cube. But if you were to go around the back of the building, you would see that it has a U shape and there's a light court in the center of the building that bounces light into those guest rooms. And then the other big move on the facade was to incorporate this local art. You know, some murals painted on it as well. So it gives you something to look at, our way of kind of grounding the building in the local community.
Moxy as a brand requires you to work with local artists, right? And creating an art installation that speaks to, the hotel. So we partnered with Jeff Zimmerman, who's a very well-known artist in Chicago, to do that art installation for us. So the smaller version is in our living space, while the large version is the big accent mural on our exterior of the building.
We've also incorporated some local art in one of the communicating stairs that gets you from the lobby up to the mezzanine level. So there's a lot of opportunity for that we wanted to take advantage of. The way we designed the ground floor was that during the day it would be like a co-working space. At night it has to turn into this fun bar experience.
Interview 2. Take 3.
Most favorite thing about the hotel is in the check-in experience. You come into that living space, it's 2 stories tall. The guests are just in awe with all the different areas that they have to play and Instagrammable moments. The biggest is the garage windows. The garage windows bring the outside in. I think that's, the most important part.